friends. Welcome back to my channel, Mariposa Homeschool. And in today's video, we are going to do a clean with me. So, this is going to be a video of me cleaning my kitchen and also answering questions on how I get cleaning done, tips on how I clean when working full time, and homeschooling my kids. Okay, so you guys have heard me say it again and again. My first tip is to use a planner. Um, and how I use my planner for cleaning is to take a look at a couple gaps in my schedule and see when is the best time I could take maybe 30 minutes to an hour to get some of my cleaning items marked off of my list. I always have a running list of cleaning items that need to be done, and I typically choose those items off of my list when I know that I have time in my schedule to get some of those done. I usually keep the list in my phone under my notes section. Doesn't have to be anything intricate. I just jot some things down that when I notice that I need to get some cleaning items marked off the list. To make it a little bit easier for myself, I don't do chores that my children are able to do. So, for example, my kids are very capable of dusting, vacuuming, taking out the small trash cans in our bathroom. So, things like that I will not do. They have a cleaning checklist that they do during the week. It's just one chore that they do during the day. And those are items that will definitely help me out during the week to keep the home clean. Um, but although I do try to carve out some uninterrupted cleaning times in my schedule when I can, there are certain items or chores, I should say, that are non negotiable. So, what I mean by that is I do make it a point to get dishes done once a day. My children and I are home most days. We eat 3 meals here, and it's really important not to have a sink full of dishes every day. Um, it's not to say, we don't go to bed with dishes in the sink because we do, but we make sure that the kitchen gets cleaned up, dishes are done. We also have two cats. One of them is a kitten, and we make sure litter boxes get done every day or every other day. And those are just some things that we make sure are non negotiable. They have to get done every day. When we are busy with school and work and running around to extracurriculars, we have to just remember that we can't get everything done every single day. And sometimes that's okay. It has to be enough. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Don't forget to hit the like button if you enjoy our content and subscribe if you haven't already done so. Thank you so much. We'll see you next time. Bye.